Zuckerman Academic Olympics is the Super Bowl of applied science. We will win. We have to win.
Yes, General.
First off, I'm not a general. I'm the captain of this team. Tomorrow, we'll be testing our knowledge of equations against the smartest kids from the best schools. Just because you don't take this competition seriously doesn't mean I shouldn't.
As your academic advisor, may I suggest that we focus on our practice equations? Vaughn, what are you working on?
Momentum. The relationship between how heavy an object is and how fast it's moving.
Okay. Here's a question on momentum that was asked in competition in 1994. Which part of the momentum equation would you have to change to make a running back 10 times harder to tackle if he weighed half as much as m, and m is the constant for mass?
That's easy. You can either increase A or decrease M by a factor of...
Corinne. It's Vaughn's equation.
Yeah, Captain.
But during the competition, the team can solve problems together, and I know this answer.
Vaughn, while you're working on that, Lucas, what is your equation?
Luminosity. Brightness.
Ah, one of my favorites. Okay, here's an oldie but a goodie from 1959. Which part of the brightness equation would you have to change in order to make a firefly's backside 100 times brighter if said backside was decreased in size by 1/3? Lucas?
I'm sorry. You lost me at firefly's backside.
Lucas, if F equals flux and A equals area, then...
Okay, I was just kidding. Give me a chance to look at it, all right?
Okay. How about we take a break and pick this up later?
The Zuckerman competition's tomorrow. How are we going to win if we don't review together? We're a team.
Could have fooled me.
Vaughn.
Corinne, everyone's working hard. Why don't you, I don't know, back off a bit?
Your equation on lunar gravity isn't right. And I didn't say anything, did I?
Vaughn, wait up.
I'm going to.
We're a team. Do you know what Vaughn meant by that last crack of his?
I think the real question is, do you?
Thanks for the backup. A running back 10 times harder to tackle. A firefly glowing 100 times brighter. The force of gravity on the moon. I don't need anyone else to win this thing. I can do it myself.
Okay, so my mom drops me at this boarding school. And I'm thinking it's like all the other places I've gone. Students, teachers, principal, you know, like normal schools. But it's not. Weird stuff happens here. Really weird stuff. And what's this guy doing here? Something's going on, and someone's behind it. And we're gonna get to the bottom of it.
There is nothing wrong at Blake Holsey High.
What's with Corinne and this whole equation competition thing?
Well, she is the captain.
She's acting like if we lose, we're going to be banished to Siberia.
She's probably just nervous.
Lucas, shut off that light!
Marshall, even you're not going to believe this. Go get Z.
the matter, Trent? Short girls can't jump.
Pearson, I hope you're prepared to impress me today.
Do my best, Coach.
Okay, Pearson.
I can't stop! Pearson, stop! I can't! Stop! Pearson, stop!
Marshall, what is so important that it couldn't wait?
Professor Z, please tell me you've seen this before.
Actually, no, except in bioluminescent species like fireflies and certain types of plankton and fish.
Did you say fireflies?
Firefly's backside. Lucas, your equation. We gotta get you to the science room.
Hold it. I can't walk around looking like this.
Right.
Stairs? Nope, stairs. Again?
Professor Zachary! Is that Lucas? What? He's dressed like the Invisible Man.
I'm doing a lesson on the science in H.G. Wells' stories.
He's some kind of teacher, huh, Principal Durst?
Just wish I knew what kind.
Looks like this short girl can jump.
I think I just found the Lady Owl's new starting center.
It's as I suspected, Lucas. Apparently, by changing your brightness equation, you've become the manifestation of your equation.
I didn't change it.
Someone changed my equation.
Vaughn's equations also changed, but my latent heat's still the same.
That's because I didn't ask Marshall any questions. Did I, Corinne?
Well, you guys didn't know the answers.
Thanks a lot, Captain. I'm glowing like a firefly's rear end. Josie's jumping like she's on a space mission. And Vaughn is... Where's Vaughn?
Look, I'll just change the equations and everything will be back to normal. There. Not there. Look.
Don't tell me I'm stuck like this.
Oh, come on, Lucas. Look at the bright side. Bright side.
Guys, I'm sure we'll figure this out. But in the meantime, we still need to prepare for the competition tomorrow.
We can't go anywhere like this.
Sure we can. I can hold Josie down so she doesn't moon bounce. You can wear a disguise. This is good.
Corinne, are you listening to yourself? None of us can compete like this.
You know, if you all took winning the Zuckerman medal as seriously as I do, I wouldn't have to change your equations, and none of this would have happened.
Oh, so this is our fault now. No, I don't know what it is about this competition that's changed you, but compete on your own. I'm out.
Me too. I'm taking my equation and going home.
No, Lucas, wait! If changing your equation affected you, what will erasing it do?
Hey! I'm not glowing anymore.
Perhaps only the person who wrote the original equation can change it back to normal. That would explain why it didn't work when Corinne changed yours.
Try jumping. All right.
Now all we have to do is find Vaughn.
Whoa. Guys, you gotta help me! I can't stop moving!
Must become momentum times 10. We have to hold him still so he can change his equation. Back! You have to... 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Now, can we please not tamper with these equations until we understand them better? What's wrong, Marshall?
My latent heat equation, it's wrong. That's supposed to be a Q, not an O.
I must have brushed up against it.
Okay. Amount of energy now equals 0, which means... Shut the door!
What happened to Marshall?
Oh no. Marshall's equation, latent heat. It shows how much energy is needed to make a solid turn into a liquid and a liquid turn into a gas. See that over there? That used to be a Q. When I brushed up against it, it turned into a 0, which means that it took 0 energy from Marshall to get from a solid to a liquid to a gas.
What are you saying?
Marshall vaporized.